Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today I just got in the latest sew sampler. So I can't wait to jump in and see what we got. Okay, so this is the July box. These always kind of come towards the end of the month. And I'm excited to see what we got here. Okay, if you're not familiar with the sew sampler, this is a subscription box that comes in from Fat Quarter Shop. It comes in once a month. It's $29 plus shipping and handling. And they are nice enough to gift this to me. And I really do appreciate getting to share it with you all. So this is a fun one. Summer Love, July 2025. And, ooh, okay. So we got 15% off Aurifil thread as our coupon code for this month. And then this is another Fat Quarter Flowers shortcut quilt. I'll actually put a link in the description. I've done a tutorial on this quilt before. So if you guys wanted to see that. And then this little quilt is the perfect piece to help you fall into fall. Our Autumn Nights Mystery Quilt and Cross Stitch Along starts in August with weekly videos and tutorials and free patterns. So don't leave this quilt behind. LEAF. Kind of cute. Okay, so 15% off is our free or our discount for this month. And then let's see what we got. You know me, I always just want to jump right to the goodies. So we have our Romantica. Looks like fat quarters. And what does our pattern look like for this month? Oh, it's called Serenade. That's a cute quilt pattern. Those are going to be some fun blocks. Should be pretty beginner friendly with some half square triangles. I'm not sure how this is set to be put together, but we'll look at that. So if finished is 56 by 56. And to finish this quilt, you're going to need 2.5 yards of background and border, 1.25 yard of the accent, and then you're also going to need 5/8 of a yard of binding. So a lot of times the Fat Quarter Shop offers this as an additional. Oh, that's what you need for the lap quilt. Let's just look that over again. Okay, so they have two different options here. You can either make the table run, which is 20 by 68, or you can make the full quilt. So you're going to need some different finishing kit information. I wonder what the finishing kit is for. Let's see what they have on their website. Okay, so I just looked up on their website and they do have the finishing kit. The finishing kit's going to be $50 per kit. So I would imagine that's probably going to be for the lap quilt, but I don't see in the description. So if you have a question about that, it's probably best to call customer service and double check. So for the quilt, you'll need 2.25 background fabrics, 1.25 accent, and then 5/8 for your binding. And you're going to need 3.25 for your backing. So if you buy the finishing kit, it's not going to have the backing, but it would have all of the other pieces that you would need. So let's see how they have us piecing that together. Because you know me, I always like my shortcuts. So it looks like they have us cutting quite a few of these 2.5 inch squares. Because we definitely have our fat quarters. I'm probably going to see if I can't figure out a way to make these. Hmm. Okay, now I'm looking at the way it is. It's not half square triangles, guys. So we are going to need to cut all these pieces if you want to follow it their way. And that probably will be the most straightforward way. And they always give us enough fabric to kind of change it up. So if you have a way that you want to test out and let me know, that'd be great. Okay, let's see what else we got. Sorry, I digress. Oh, fun. Okay, so these are Wonder Clips. So are these wider than normal? I can't tell. We got the Wonder Clips there. It has the different lines on there for your different seam allowance markings. And then it has the flat back so that it'll feed through your machine really easily. I feel like these are fairly standard, but I have like a whole bucket of these and I use them whenever I bind my quilts. I end up using the whole thing. So I just dump everything in the same container so it's easy to get to. And occasionally they do break. So it is nice to get some extras. Okay, so we got our Wonder Clips, and then we have a fine line friction pen for marking our fabric as we go. And we've got a full spool of Aurifil. Let's see what color this one is. This one is 67.22. And then we also got the fourth block in our Flower Girl quilt. I am really excited to be getting started on this soon. It has been a completely wild and full summer for us, and I'm finally getting back into the craft room, and I'm going to do my darndest to get caught back up. So I'm really looking forward to this. I'll probably put all four of these blocks into the same video just so it can be a catch up and get it all up to date. So that is everything we got in our kit. Let's take a look at our fabric. Okay, I'm doing this over the paper so you guys don't get scared. Just need enough to get my finger in there. There we go. Okay, so these are art gallery fabrics and they are right in my wheelhouse. I really am enjoying all of the pastels and pink lately. Pink's never really been my jam, but I'm really loving it. And this has a great combination of blues and teals and a fun flower pattern there. Ooh, that's nice. That's going to look really great in some of our smaller blocks here. Definitely. So, again, the theme for this box is called Summer Love. And so, this is a very sweet, kind of delicate grouping, almost some nods. That's a tulip, but it kind of has a little bit of that heart pattern. There's definitely a lot of pink in this bundle. This has kind of been my year of making things with pink, I think. There, that's a little bit better. So, we've got kind of a lattice work on this one. And then I really like this. I've been into these kind of two-tone fabrics lately where it's just a little bit less busy, I guess. There's actually three different colors plus the white background. So this is not dual tones. It's got four colors in it, but lots of fun. And I will get these ironed out and add in pictures for any of these that are not showing up well on camera for you. And you can always catch at the end of my videos, I do close-ups of all the fabrics so you really get a great look at them. This one's kind of fun. It has stars and then a kind of a denim feel, definitely a little bit more rustic than some of these other ones. So it kind of pulls this all a little bit more casual. But this feels like kind of, I'm almost has like a vintagey kind of sheets feel to it. Like I just remember a lot of the sheets we had growing up had a lot of these fun florals. I don't know why we don't do that anymore, but they're super cute. Super cute. Okay, so let me make sure we didn't miss anything. So we have our Summer Love box, July 2025. Again, this is a $30 box, and then you pay your $5 shipping anywhere, I think in the US. Outside of the US, I'm not sure what shipping is. So we've got our Romantica Fat Quarter bundles, a set of 8. That's valued at 29.48. Then we have our 10-piece pink Wonder Clips. That's valued at $6.98. We have our Aurifil thread that's valued at $13.98, which is a full spool. So these I really like getting. That's kind of fun. This is the 50 weight Aurifil thread. How many yards is it? I can't remember. Oh, 1,400 yards. So it's a lot. Definitely a lot. And this is like an off-white creamy color. It's definitely going to look great with this fabric. Then we have our Serenade quilt pattern. That's $9.98. We have our Flower Girl block pattern that's valued at $4.98. And then we have our friction pin. I really feel like for the Fat Quarter Shop, you get a lot of value for what they're putting into each box. And I do suggest in a lot of my videos, if you're trying to kind of shave some money off, if you go with one background fabric and you buy that by the bolt and you use that in multiple quilts, it can save you money. It definitely makes it where you can use up every last bit of your scraps, which is really nice. I buy the Bella Solid that ends in 98. I know a lot of people really love the 200. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description for you guys if you're interested in that. But any color that you pick, as long as you like it and it kind of ties to the different fabrics that you're going to use, then you're using every last inch of that fabric. So that has been one of the ways that I can kind of find to be really cost effective. I'm not sure if I can do that. Let's see. I'm not actually, yeah, I can do that with this one. Let me go back. So this is the Bella Solid that I use all the time on everything. And it's definitely wider than this particular print. But then we get into some of these other ones and it is just fine. So I probably am still going to use my Bella Solid 98 for this quilt just to keep things simple and be able to make the use of all the fabric that I already have. So that's it for this unboxing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. If you do like any of my tutorials or other unboxings, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And for those of you who've been shopping with my affiliate links, I really do appreciate it. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.